Quick video just to let you know, I live stream every Tuesday at 7:50 GMT. There's a free 15-minute guide which I'm going to tell you how to get just in a minute. My private trading room will be live streaming on YouTube, so you'll be able to see exactly what a real trading room looks like. If you've ever been curious, if you want to sit in and just watch, then please do come and sit in and watch. If you want to look at one of the strategies that we use, which is a 15-minute bar entry, then you can download the 15-minute entry guide, which is in the links just down below in the description. But also, if you find that interesting, we also use an AI report, which is very, very accurate. And you can download that as well in the links below. If you're curious and want no bull, just straight trading, bit of entertainment as well, come and join me every Tuesday, 7:50 GMT, straight trading. You might even learn something. If not, you might be entertained.